have you ever heard the saying, the best way to predict the future is to create the future? Now, coming up in this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple exercise and how you can apply that to your life so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. Hi, it's Christian Baker from christianbaker.net, sharing inspiration, motivation and encouragement to help you to think differently, to develop your mindset so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. Now, I think it was Abraham Lincoln who said the best way to predict the future is to create the future. And in previous videos and in my Master Your Mind free course, I've talked before about the power of the mind and how you can help yourself to develop your mindset so that you can design, create and achieve the life that you want. And in this video, I'm going to share with you another simple exercise that you can go through that will really help you to get clear and motivated to know what to do next to help you to achieve that life that you want. And I call this Back to the Future. Because like the movie, I'm going to get you to imagine that you're going to do a bit of time traveling. And the idea here is that if you imagine that you're now at this crossroads, well, you've got a choice to make, and we often find ourselves at these crossroads in life where we can do one of two things. We can either carry on as we are, doing what we've been doing, or we can make some changes, make some different decisions, make some choices which can take us on a different path. And the idea of this is that you get to almost preview potentially where they take you and learn from it before you make that decision. So first of all, imagine for a moment, if you carry on as you are, if you keep doing what you're doing, where's that going to take you? So if you get in your time machine and travel forward into the future to any point in time where you're kind of looking back and reflecting, maybe kicking yourself, maybe with an air of regret, of thinking, if only I had. And then ask yourself that question and fill in the blanks. If only I had what? What do you wish you would have done differently? What different decisions, what different choices do you wish you would have made? And then instead of waiting till you get to that point where you're regretting things, use that information now and bring it back to the point where you can help yourself get really motivated and take the time to take a different course of a different path in your life that will help you to achieve the life that you want. But before you do that, let's think of the opposite for a moment. Let's imagine you do take the right path and you find yourself achieving and getting to that point in time where you've achieved the things that you want, almost like you've waved a magic wand. Whether that be days, hours, weeks, months or years from now, let's not worry about the time, but just imagine you could get in your time machine and be there right now. What would that look like? What would that feel like? And then ask yourself the question, I'm so glad I ... What is it you did? What did you do that helped you to get to that point? And again, think about that, take some time to get clear on it, and then bring that information and insight back to the here, the now. Then you can do things, take action and make some changes that are going to help you get closer to it. Because as we said before, the more action you take, the more progress you make. And if you're making deliberate action in the right direction, it's going to happen much more easily and much more quickly. So below, before you leave me a comment and let me know what your Back to the Future looks like and what action you are going to take to help you to design, create and achieve the life that you want. And remember, as you go on your way, remember what your mind believes you will achieve. So believe in yourself, take action, and you can achieve the life that you want now.